Today, we will explore the truth about diabetes treatment, and the role Big Pharma plays. Take a moment to think about this. Over the course of your lifetime, how many thousands of dollars have been spent on prescription drugs, doctors, and insurance? And after all of this, where did it get you? Are you the picture of health, or are you still battling and sick? Last year, $2.8 trillion were spent on healthcare, just in the United States, which is higher than any other country in the world. And with all of this spending to care for our health, our rates of heart disease, cancer, diabetes, autism, dementia, and almost any disease you can think of, are among the highest worldwide. How could we be spending the most to care for our health, and yet, have the highest levels of disease in the world? The facts show that the year 1950 was the last time the pharmaceutical industry really cured anything. Think about it. Trillions of dollars have gone to the research of cures. How many charities are in existence, accepting donations to find cures? And after all of this time and money, what has been cured in the last 71 plus years? Just try to look it up for yourself. Search for diseases that have been cured. Yes, we go to the doctor, and they give us our diagnosis, and tell us the medicines, or treatment plan to take, to make us feel better. But do you really heal, and get better? Most big pharma drugs just mask the symptoms, and don't even attempt to fix the root cause of the issue. It's like having a car that you depend on daily. And you notice that the check engine light is on, but instead of fixing the engine, you just decide to brake, or disable the warning light. So, no more warning light. Feeling better already, right? But how long will your car be able to go, before it inevitably breaks down, because you ignored the root of the problem? Not only do these drugs not fix the root cause, but you also may have to deal with some pretty serious side effects, including death. Are the side effects worth it, when the root cause is not even being taken care of? Does Big Pharma even really want you cured? Or, is a good customer a sick customer? Is that why there are no cures? Think about it. Diabetes is big business for them. You have to buy insulin, medicine, test strips, and more, from them on a recurring basis, forever. Diabetes is a $370 billion business. Not totaling the cost for the other diseases right now, but diabetes alone is a $370 billion business and growing. They are making a fortune from all of those insulin injections, doctor visits, and prescriptions. Not to mention maintenance items, and things people buy to better their lives, like devices to measure blood sugar, and compression socks. The amount being spent on diabetes is rising year after year, with no end in sight. Every diabetic needs a blood sugar monitor, but it's the cost of test strips that chip away at your pockets, over and over again. Every blood sugar monitor needs testing strips. And you can only use the testing strip one time, since you have to use the needle to draw blood from your finger, and place that drop of blood on your testing strip. And consider that, most diabetics are required to test their blood glucose levels at least once per day, and some, as much as 7 times per day. Remember, the glucose monitor takes batteries that will need replacing at least once per year. Other things such as insulin injection bottles, which not only comes with the cost of the bottle of insulin itself, but it includes the additional cost of needles, a syringe, alcohol swabs, and even prescription drugs. And you'll be paying these costs month after month, as none of them really help you treat the root cause of the problem. Even the main solution can harm you more than you know. In episode 3, we will explore what insulin treatment actually does to the body. Check our description box and comment section to see our top offers. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more diabetes breakthrough episodes on the health of life.